appointment is for an F&B manager in Melbourne, and we're looking for a well-experienced person who has the ability and skill set to lead the restaurant operation, but also lounge, room service, and importantly, the function operations, which is especially corporate throughout the week and wedding markets on the weekends. And we're looking for an F&B manager who has the experience within five-star branded properties, have the understanding and coordination of managing very large function businesses, and really will set the benchmarks with his or her hands-on approach within all outlets. Reporting direct to the general manager, you are an important part of this business. You're actually the tool of main driving the F&B operation, and we're looking for someone who really has the experience behind. The salary will be $85,000 plus superannuation. If you would have interest, if you are really the F&B guru, would like to work within a well-known Australian-wide hotel operator, please let us know. Folks,